A brand new debugger tool and the policy generator we teased back in April are now live inside Consent Pro. First up, the debugger tool. To access it, make sure you solve all your Actions tab items and click on the Test It on Live Site button. Your live website will open with the new Consent Pro debugger pop-up. The debugger runs 4 checks for you. First, it confirms your banner is actually loading on the live site. Second, it shows which banner variant is being served based on the visitor's geolocation, so you can verify the right banners reaching the right audience without needing a VPN. Third, it verifies that consent choices are being captured and logged correctly. And fourth, it checks whether your site is loading Google fonts directly from Google's servers, which can be a GDPR compliance risk. That is it. You can now validate your entire Consent Pro setup directly on your live site in seconds. The policy generator is now live in Consent Pro. We teased this one in our April updates video, and it is finally here. It lets you generate the legal policy documents your website needs based on your compliance framework. The first step is selecting your compliance framework. Consent Pro currently supports GDPR, CCPA, and US state laws. If none of those apply to your business, you can select General Policies, which works for anyone that does not fall under a specific legislation. For this tutorial, we will select CCPA. Next, you will fill in your basic company information. This is a one-time step. Consent Pro pulls this data across all your policies, so you never have to fill it in again, but you can edit later if you want. Once your company info is saved, Consent Pro analyzes your selected framework and recommends the documents your business needs. For CCPA, that includes a privacy policy, privacy rights, and cookie policy. You will see which ones are recommended for your specific case and which ones are optional. Let's generate the privacy policy since it covers the most ground. You will be guided through a series of steps: confirming basic informations, selecting your data collection categories, specifying whether you share data with third parties, choosing the purposes for your data collection and the legal basis behind it, defining your data retention period, specifying if there's any age restrictions to your website, and choosing the Webflow page where the policy will be published. You can create a new page or choose an existing one to use. Before generating, you will see a full preview of the document. Take a moment to review it carefully. To proceed, you need to check the box confirming that you have read the document in full and that you understand Consent Pro does not provide legal advice. This is an important step. The policy generator gives you a solid template, but you are responsible for ensuring the document accurately reflects your data practices before publishing. Once you click Generate Policy, the document is created, and the status changes to Ready to Publish. Publish your project, and the policy goes live on your site. Notice how the status changed to Published inside Consent Pro. One more thing worth showing. If your business needs to comply with more than one legislation, you can add an additional framework at any time. Say you want to add GDPR on top of CCPA. After confirming, the status will update to Update Needed. You will see a new GDPR tab appear where you can fill and review the additional required fields. Regenerate the document, publish again, and you are covered across both frameworks. That is the policy generator. The right legal documents for the right framework in minutes. Drop a comment below letting us know what features you would like to see added next. And if you want to be the first to know when we launch something new, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.